Welcome to our Imaginary T Lightning Talk video for ArcWorks bottle label automation. This is team 15176. So first we'll meet the team.
I'm Lachlan, I'm the industrial engineer.
I'm Brandon, I'm one of the electrical engineers.
I'm Jeremiah, I'm the other electrical engineer.
I'm Eric, I'm one of the mechanical engineers.
I'm Christina, I'm another mechanical engineer.
And I'm Andrew, I'm the other mechanical engineer.
So for the current state of the bottle automation, when labeling the P Brothers bitters bottles, ArcWorks employees apply and fold the label by hand. At one station, an employee operates an automatic label applier, and a group of 4 employees folds the labels that the machine outputs.
You can also see a picture of the current state. And for the desired state, a machine would be used alongside their automatic label applier. This machine would automate the process of folding the label on the bottom of the bottle and on the top, so that the 4 employees don't need to hand fold the bottom of the bottle coming from the label applier.
So for our constraints and customer requirements, we want to automate the bottom bottle labeling process, automate the top bottle labeling process. We want to ensure that the bottle labeling looks like it was done by hand. We want to increase the bottle production rate, and then we want to improve the production turnover, meaning that we want less bottles to be rejected due to error of being labeled improperly in some way. And we want to also maintain the safety of the workers.
Our primary goal to execute our goals was we used several different systems. One of the main ones was the squeeze and slice system for crinkling the top of the label around the neck. And we designed a system with several pneumatic pistons which pushed bearings against the label, and then as the bottle was removed, it would crinkle the label around the neck.
And to fold the bottom of the bottle, we'll be using the finger mechanism shown above. The finger will rotate around the bottle, driven by a stepper motor and a timing belt. And after rotating to a set position, pneumatic pistons will extend, and this will fold the finger down and press the paper into the bottle.
Our ideal process, I guess, would be to obviously we have a button that would start the system, and then that would open a hatch or door which the bottle will be placed into, and then the bottle holder will raise, and after the bottle is placed in, it will lower. The bottle will hit the limit switch, and then the hatch or door will be closed. Then the finger mechanism will operate on the bottom of the bottle. The squeeze inside mechanism will be closed. The hatch will be open, and then the bottle holder will be raised again, so the worker could then remove the bottle, and then the squeeze inside mechanism would be open as well, and then that would, I guess, loop back to the start, and they could start the next bottle.
So our #1 constraint for this project is to make the system accessible for disabled workers. This means that the system must be easy to understand and easy to use, all while being safe to operate and isolated from the workers while the system is running. And that is our lightning video. Thank you.